All right, so we're gonna be removing our SharkBite caps so we can put our shutoff valves on and crimp those in. So basically we have our SharkBite tool here. This is why I like using these. They're real nice and easy to pop off and reuse. So the bigger part, you're gonna wanna slide around the fitting, and the smaller part goes behind the plastic here. You just slide that on, and then you put, you just squeeze this together, and you see that pressure, it had water in the lines. So yeah, and then that comes right off. Obviously you're gonna want to rag, wipe everything down. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do that there. And then we're gonna cut this back a little bit. And we're gonna put our cap on. And put our fitting in.
All right, so now we're gonna put our crimp ring on first, and then you're gonna slide your angle stop in, and you wanna make sure you have about 1/8 of an inch gap from the PEX and the fitting before you crimp it. And then we're gonna crimp that now. You wanna make sure that doesn't move on you. They move a lot. They do have rings that have a stop in there to where it won't move. So you just gotta make sure that's 1/8 inch away. We're gonna crimp that. And once that clicks, you're good to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna repeat the same process for the other one, and hope this helps.
And there you have it.